Can you remove tanning lotion from a wedding dress? Well, on your big day, looking your best means a lot, but sometimes that can come at a cost. And when your gown is as unique and beautiful as this, restoring and preserving it is a must. Drink stains, mud and dirt, perspiration, and of course the tanning lotion are the problems in today's challenge. But before we can do anything, removing the metal is always step one. Now it's bath time, and Athlon is the star of today's show. The dress goes in and is left to soak overnight. The next day, the dress looks so much better. But Bill needs to help a few of the stains along by using the brush and gently working each one. Then it's on to be wet cleaned. As you can see, all of the stains are gone and the dress is hung to dry overnight. The next day, the dress needs to be dry cleaned. Now, it may sound strange to dry clean a gown right after it's been wet cleaned, but this part of the process is very important. It rehydrates the fabric with natural oils inside the solvent, which brings back the texture and luster of the gown. Now we can move on to finishing. As you can see, Bill works meticulously with the fabric. The folds along the bust are unique and move in every direction, which definitely makes the pressing process a bit more challenging. This will look a bit different now. Bill found a hidden stain that didn't come out during the cleaning process, so he takes a quick trip over to the spotting board and takes care of it. Now we're back over to finishing, and because of the way the gown is made, we needed to open up one of the seams so that Bill could press the dress properly. But don't worry, our seamstress Jocelyn will sew it back up. Now it's time for all the hooks and buttons to be sewn back on. Before and afters are my favorite. This gown truly came back to life in a spectacular way. No more wrinkles and no more stains. Tanning lotion stains can look scary at first, especially on a gown as white as this one. But with the right process, they don't have to be permanent. Seeing every stain lift away and the fabric return to its natural beauty is always such a satisfying part of the restoration process. A dress like this holds so many memories from one incredible day, and now it can be preserved just the way it deserves to be. Clean, bright, and beautifully finished. And this gown is finally ready to head back home.